Fried banana chocolate dessert.
With only 3 ingredients, fast and easy to assemble. This is why fried chocolate banana is our #1 dessert. Banana is one of France's favorite fruit, a must-have in our kitchen. To make our #1 dessert, we need super ripe bananas. Anything lesser will not do because there is no sugar in this recipe and the sweetness comes 100% from our ripe bananas. We love the crunch and nothing works better than spring roll wrappers deep fried in oil. Here comes the chocolate. We use bitter chocolate. Sweetness from the banana pairs very well with bitter chocolate. If you do not have those, then milk chocolate is good enough. Seriously, any chocolate will go well in this recipe. Carefully fold the spring roll wrapper over the fillings. Seal the roll with cornstarch slurry, a mixture of water and corn flour. Our secret trick for achieving double crunchiness is double wrapping. Moistening the spring roll with a generous splash of cornstarch slurry will help the second wrapper stick tightly to the first roll. Oops! Looks like the banana string loves our spring roll too. Okay, no need to slam your spring roll as hard as we did. That is just for ASMR! Fold the second wrapper over the first roll by tucking it in as tightly as you can like a sheet of a pillow. Frying in low heat is the best way. Sometimes even with double wrapping you can get broken skin and fillings oozing out. This delicious fried chocolate banana dessert is best eaten with ice cream.
Wow! I can eat whole day with this.
Need more dessert ideas? Watch next, our dessert playlist. Subscribe!
Share and comment. Thanks for watching.